Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Cancers. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We'll be picking cards for your love energies first. I'll be picking cards from two decks. It's going to be like a pick a card. So, whichever card you want to watch, you can watch that, guys. This is the second card, so I'll be giving the timestamp for that card in the description, so you can skip to that if you want to watch this card, guys. This is for your daily energies, Cancers. We will open the cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So for your love energies, Cancer, this is the first card, Archangel Uriel. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that the angels are guiding us today, guys, in our relationship. So with this card, guys, maybe in your relationship you are right now you feel stuck. You are unable to decide something. You are unable to see your future or what you need to do today, some kind of decisions you feel stuck. So this card is about having some kind of intuition, guys, clear seeing in your situation, helping you to see that, find solutions or some kind of guidance maybe. So sometimes in life we may have some intuitions. When we are making some choices, we feel we have that gut feeling towards some choices when we are solving a problem or making some decisions. So when you have that nudges, you have to go for that, guys. So maybe in your relationship you are in a at a point where you are unable to make some decision, so you need to go for that choice towards which you have that intuition, guys. That is what this card is about. So what is the other card? The second card for your Observer. So with this card, guys, the energy for your relationship, Cancers. Maybe in your life, in your present situation, guys, you need to see things from a neutral point of view. Maybe it is time you change the way you see your situation, perceive it from a different angle, like a third person. So that is what this card is about. So maybe you need to today, maybe in some situations, before reacting to that situation, you have to think clearly, guys. Think clearly what affects you, what affects that other person, and what is their point of view, and think about your past experience, whatever you had in your within yourself, and then you should come to an understanding of your situation and have that understanding in this connection. And when you are able to see this situation as a third person from a different perspective, you will be able to see the truth in this situation, guys. That is what this card is about. So maybe you are in some stressful situations today. You want to fight to this person, you just want to blurt out whatever you feel, but this card is about that deep understanding. So you need to respond, not react, guys. That is what this card is about. Let us see what are the cards for your daily energies. Two of Swords, Three of Cups, and 10 of Swords. With these cards here, guys, maybe in certain situations, guys, you feel that you are lost, some kind of loneliness, or stress is there in your life today. Something is burdening you, or some things are going out of control. This may relate to your work situation or your personal life, guys. Some situation or some circumstances are going out of hand. That is what you feel, and you feel really lonely, and something is burdening your mind, guys. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you are faced with certain decisions and you are unable to relate to the truth. Something is pushing you towards some choice, but you are not able to take that up because you are unable to stand the truth. It is hurting you a lot, so you are not able to make that choice and you really feel stressed. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you may be talking to your friends about your situation, taking their suggestions and counsel today, guys, regarding what is happening in your life. So that is the daily reading for your Cancers. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancers.